right. Next up, please welcome Relevancy Data, presenting are Mikhail Hubschman and Aviram Siboni.
Relevancy Data mission is to organize the world of video content by indexing every element of the video to create endless engagement. Do you recognize this feeling when you're watching your favorite show on TV or internet and suddenly an annoying commercial appears?
Imagine a match made in skin heaven with Venus and Olay. Olay Moisture Bars help.
So what did we see here? We saw a commercial of Venus shaving blade before a content of football. These ads are not relevant. And because of that, everybody is losing. The content provider losing money because every click skip this ad. The brand, they don't pay for these views. The brand, they get lower return on investment, disconnection with the users, and the user, bad user experience, irritation. And why this is happening? Because today, all the market leaders like Google, Facebook, they all base targeting on user data and reach. This user data is sold in the online trading desk every millisecond. This is a €1 billion sector, while at the same time, the online video advertising is the fastest growing category in the online spending. And there is no yet one company that succeeds to solve this problem. Relevancy data bring the power of the content on top of the user data. And in the mobile advertising, where cookie-based targeting is disabled, a new standard on targeting solution. We developed a powerful commercial engine that goes beyond face recognition. Our engine able to detect today faces, objects, logos, music, gender, age, and even emotion to better target advertising. Our first beta customer, BMW. We ran for them 2 campaigns in YouTube for a duration of 1 month. The first campaign was based on the user data, the way targeting works today. For the second campaign, we added to the data of the user the data of the content that was provided by our recognition technology. I'm glad to share with you today that 42% more people viewed the ads that was based on our recognition technology. This is a pre-roll of Adidas. This specific pre-roll has been automatically selected by our engine because the following clip has been analyzed before with our recognition engine. Our engine able to detect millions of faces and logos at the same time. This is scalable. We know exactly the second that the metadata appears, and we know the frequency. We download them every night from the content provider. Then we're able to match on the right second the relevant advertising that can be shown in pre-roll or mid-roll or second screen solution. This is our campaign management. Just a few hours ago, we finalized the result of our customer, Fox Sport. Fox requested from us to detect all the top football player faces and the logos of the sponsor in YouTube. This is how it looks like. And that can be also served in cross-channel content provider. And the results are 3.7% click-through rate, 3.7, while an average is lower than 1%. Because this is so unique, we patented our technology. Our customers are the digital TVs and the operator like Fox, RTL, the online platform like YouTube, Dailymotion, and the media companies and the brands like Group M. We earn money from selling the data. In addition, we offer a campaign management. The team that made it happen, Aviram Siboni. Aviram has many years' experience in the Israeli security sector and many years' experience in the recognition technologies. Myself, Michal, for me it's the second company, my first company called easytobook.com, which I sold 3 years ago to one of the largest travel company, BCD Travel. Together with 4 developers and 1 marketeer, we're already 7 people in the team. And we selected a market leader to be in our advisory board. One of them is Masha Drishen, she built a YouTube in the UK for 2 years, and now she's the director of advertising at Microsoft. Together, with all this knowledge, we will bring this company to the next level. I would like to confirm my word with the latest interview of the market leader, the CEO of AOL.
I would make 2 bets with advertising. One is it's going to get better and better and more creative for consumers. And number 2 is you will have ad prices go up. You have a $600 billion industry where there's a lot of ads where you don't know how they work, and people still spend $600 billion. Imagine how much they're going to spend when you know how each ad to each individual consumer works. It's going to be a very powerful change for our industry.
So I would like that all the advertisers in this room will imagine themselves that from now they're able to control their ads. They're able to search where they want their ads will land. I would like that all the users will imagine themselves that they enjoy show video content and be inspired by related ads. Relevancy Data mission is to implement this powerful engine into the online video advertising ecosystem and enable any programmatic party to use our solution as part of a new standard marketing solution. Thank you.
Okay. Judges.
Tell me about the network that I assume you're using a ComNet to do the detection. Tell me about the model that
The business model?
The business model?
No, sorry, the AI model that actually does the object recognition.
All the flow, you mean? What we are doing, or about the engine?
Yeah.
First of all the IP is inside. So the face recognition, the logo image recognition, music, and etc. All those technology develop in-house. So we start the flow. We start to download all the movie from the content provider at night. We analyze it in several engines, and the result goes to our ad server. We have our own BI, and then we have the result about who is the celebrity that in specific second that we recognize, and the same thing with logo and music.
Can you talk a little bit about, you had YouTube on there. I still see YouTube as being kind of the gorilla within the video space. Like, I want to just understand a little bit more about your business model and how you might partner with YouTube, who I got to believe, Google's doing some things in this area also, but I do find the area that you're playing in to be quite exciting.
Of course. Our goal is to go in 2 directions parallel. One direction is to implement this solution with the publishers, like Google. So we can customize our engine, and they're able to target. They have already the sales funnel, and then we earn money from the data. So we sell data for each video file. This is scalable. In addition, we have our own campaign management that we can serve from A to Z, and we can also create our own network on premium content, which is a problem today in the market, that you don't know simply where your ad will land. So we'll go these 2 directions.
And one more thing is about, today everybody is focused on the profile of the user. In mobile, you actually can put cookies on the mobile. The only option to do it to focus on the profile of the video, and this is exactly what we are doing.
How would you differentiate yourselves from other similar players in the space, and how do you plan to beat them?
I will answer about the technology side, and First of all, it's about execution and performance. And if the IP is inside, you actually can customize it and to better improve the algorithm in different category. Because to recognize logo and faces at news or in sports, it's two different things. You need to understand to be scalability. And this is, I think this is what we are different from the market today.
And from the business side, also I think the combination of all these solutions under one good execution, that will make the difference. It's all about show the value of this data and translate it into a huge amount of revenue. And that's why we selected a market leader in each different category, which one of them is the media, trading desk, online selling, that we will be able to have all those knowledge in this ecosystem and implement it.
Any other questions? All right, that was Relevancy Data. Thank you guys very much.